the street is that you're leaving. Please, please tell me that it ain't so. The truth might be too much to handle, oh yeah, but I'll be a believer when you leave me alone. It's just a matter of time till you come back to me, begging and bleeding on your hands and knees. A matter of time until I hear you sing. Just a matter of time till you come back to me, begging and bleeding on your hands and knees. A matter of time until I hear you sing. Won't you come back, baby? It's time to stay. We both know that you're headed for trouble. You can't make it on your own. The truth might be too much to handle, oh yeah, but I'll be a believer when you leave me alone. It's a matter of time till you come back to me, begging and bleeding on your hands and knees. Matter of time until I hear you sing. Just a matter of time till you come back to me, begging and bleeding on your hands and knees. Matter of time until I hear you sing. Oh, won't you come back, baby? This time to stay. See, the doorbell's getting rusty. Man, I ain't seen a mailman in years. Well, the dog don't bark, no, there's still a place to park. Well, I guess those were crocodile tears. Well, see, it's true, no, I guess we're through, but I can hide behind my beer. Well, I know one day, no, you come my way, and I'll take you out of here. Just a matter of time till you come back to me, begging and bleeding on your hands and knees. Matter of time until I hear you say. It's just a matter of time till you come back to me, begging and bleeding on your hands and knees. Matter of time